My name's Tony Feminis. I'm the Director of IT at Miniat Holdings. At Miniat, we have two sides of the business. On one side, we work in pre-cooked meat. We take raw meat in, we seal it, we cook it sous vide, and we sell to restaurants and industrial food makers. In a given year, we sell about 100 million pounds. And on the other side of the business, we work in edible oils. We are looking to increase profitability, and one of the keys to that is getting better data.
Data comes in all forms. It's narrowing it down to what we can do with it that is the challenge. So what prompted us to look for Actian was a need within our business to take our analytics to the next level. So before Actian, our biggest pain point was having users asking for data that I couldn't give them in a meaningful way. One of the main benefits of Actian's data platform is going to be taking multiple data sources and creating a single source of truth for our users. We looked at 10 different platforms in the market.
Actian was really the only company that checked all the boxes. We have a small IT team. We need a platform who is going to be a force multiplier.
The benefit of the Actian data platform is that all of the solutions are all in one place.
Our data is essentially in the Stone Age, and our business stakeholders are craving better data, more accessible data, more trustworthy data. Actian is going to be revolutionary for the people at our company.